Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cikgu Darrel and today we shall continue on Unit 6 Sport. For your information, this is going to be the third lesson which will be on page 65 on your student's book. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to talk about past events. At the same time, our lesson for today will focus on how to use there was, there were, was, and also were. As usual, before we proceed to our lesson today, let me communicate with you first the framework of our lesson. First, we shall get to know the rules of there was and there were in affirmative and negative forms. After that, we shall complete sentences with affirmative and negative forms of there was and there were. Last but not least, we shall go through the rules of was and were and do some practices together. Without further ado, let us move on to the first activity of our lesson today, which is to get to know the rules of there was and there were. Now, what do there was and there were mean? Generally, there was and they were means the same, which is terdapat in BM, and they are used for affirmative sentences. The only difference between there was and they were is that there was is used for singular object. For example, there was an exciting match. The article an is used here indicating that an means one, and there is no s at the back of the word match. The object here is match. As we can see, there is only one match. Therefore, we use there was for this case. On the other hand, for there were, it is used for plural object. For example, there were many medals. How do we know if the object is plural? We can see that there is an s at the back of the object. The object here is medal, and the medal is in plural form. Therefore, we use there were for plural object. On the other hand, there wasn't and there weren't mean tidak terdapat in BM. In other words, it is called negative sentences. The only thing that makes there wasn't and there weren't different is that there wasn't is used also for singular object. Example of sentence: there wasn't any golf game in Olympic 2012. The object here is golf game. As you can see here, there is no s at the back of the word game. So, we can deduce that it is in singular form. Therefore, we should use there wasn't together with any. For there weren't, it is used for plural object. Example of sentence: there weren't any medals. Can you see the s at the back of the medal? It's in plural form. Therefore, we have to write there weren't any medals. Generally, when we want to use there wasn't and there weren't in negative sentences, most of the time we would always use any. But not all sentences use there wasn't and there weren't with any. It depends, and I shall discuss this further in the following slides after this. Now let's move on to the second activity of our lesson today, which is to complete affirmative and negative sentences using there was and there were. Take a look at this text. I adapted the text from your student's book, page 65, and it's about the first marathon. You are going to use there was, there were, there wasn't, and there weren't to complete the gap text. 2,500 years ago, a war between Greece and Persia and a lot of battles. Now, first and foremost, we will need to identify the object first. For the first sentence, we can see that the object is a war. How many war is that? The article a indicates there is only one war. When it is only one, it means the object is in singular form. When it is in singular form, there are only choices between there was and there wasn't. Since there is no keyword any being used here, therefore, automatically the answer goes to there was a war between Greece and Persia, and a lot of battles. The object here is battles, and as you can see, there is a letter S at the back of the word battle. Therefore, the object is in plural form. When the object is in plural form, there are only choices between there were and there weren't. And it's the same, we don't see the word any in the sentence. Therefore, we can assume that the answer here is there were a lot of battles. Moving on to the third sentence. A big battle in a place called Marathon, which the Greeks won. A big battle. The object here is big battle. And how many big battle is that? It's only one because the article a is being used. Therefore, it's in singular form. So automatically the answer is there was, because we don't see the word any in the sentence. This was important news. But any internet. The object is internet. And how many internet is that? Do you see any S at the back? There is no S at the back. Therefore, we can assume that it's in singular form. But since any is used before the word internet, we can deduce that the answer is there wasn't. And any telephones. Now look at the fifth sentence. Telephones is in plural form because there is an S at the back of the object. And the word any is used as well. Therefore, we have to use there weren't as the answer. So a man called Philippides ran to Athens with news of the battle. He ran about 41 kilometers. Any good roads, so it was a difficult journey. Good roads. Object here is roads, and there's a S at the back there, so automatically we can say it's in plural. Since there's a word any here, therefore we can deduce that the answer is there weren't. However, not all there wasn't and there weren't use any together with them. You can also use many, a lot of, and an. Now let's take a look at the example. There weren't many rich footballers 100 years ago. Nowadays, you can see many rich footballers such as Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar Jr. and also Messi. However, if we compare to 100 years ago, there weren't many rich footballers. As you can see here, the objects are in plural form because there's an S at the back of the word footballer. Therefore, there weren't can also be used together with many. Next, there weren't a lot of spectators during Olympic in 1900. We can also use a lot of together with there weren't. A lot of means banyak. When something is in the number of more than one, automatically we have to put S at the back of the object. The object here is spectators. Therefore, we use there weren't. Next, there wasn't a match between Jija and Victor last night. We can also use the article a together with there wasn't to show that there is only a match, but it did not happen between Jija and Victor last night. Next, there wasn't can also be used with the article an. There wasn't an Olympic flag until 1920. Now why is it an article an? An and a means the same. It's just that the article an is used together with any objects that start with the vowel sound of A, E, I, or U. Just remember that. And since Olympic starts with the vowel sound of O, therefore we use an as the article. So how many Olympic flags are there? There is only one mentioned here because there is no S at the back of the word flag. Therefore we use there wasn't. Now, let's move on to the final stage of our activity today, which is to learn and practice was and were. Basically, was and were means the same as is, am, or are. The only difference is that was and were is used for past tense and is, am, and are is used for present tense. Just bear in mind that was is the past tense for is or am, and were is the past tense for are. There are affirmative and negative for was and were. For affirmative, we use was and were, and for negative, we use wasn't and weren't. When do we use was, were, wasn't, and weren't? We use was and wasn't when we meet with the subject pronouns he, she, it, and I, whereby for were and weren't, we only use them when we meet with the subject pronoun they, we, you. Take a look at this example. Hiroshi Hokesu, a competitor. Should we use was or were? Hiroshi Hokesu, if we replace it with a subject pronoun, he, she, it, I, they, we, you, which one is the correct subject pronoun that can be used to represent Hiroshi? It's a he. So when the subject pronoun recognized is he, automatically the answer is was. Next, table tennis in the Olympics until 1988. How many table tennis is that being mentioned? There's only one. And table tennis is not human being. Therefore, we only use the subject pronoun it. So it wasn't in the Olympics until 1988. This sentence means that there was no table tennis before 1988. And only from 1988 onwards, there's a table tennis. Therefore, the answer used here is wasn't, is in negative form. Next, golf and rugby, their events for the first time in Olympic 2016. Means that before Olympic 2016, there were no golf and rugby. Therefore, the answers here is golf and rugby were the events for the first time in Olympic 2016. And it has already passed. Now it's already 2021. Therefore, we use were. Next, women competitors in Olympic until 1900. Means that before 1900, all the Olympic Games did not allow women as the competitors. Only from 1900 onwards, women are allowed to compete in Olympic. Therefore, women weren't competitors in Olympic until 1900. Women are in plural form. Therefore, we use weren't. So that's the end of our lesson today. This is a Google form exercise that I have prepared for you. Feel free to just scan at the QR code right in front of your screen, or you can click on the link that I have prepared in the video description below. If you're a teacher and you would like to make a copy of this Google form exercise, feel free to just scan at the QR code right in front of your screen, or you can click at the link that I have provided in the video description as well. As usual, don't forget to visit my Facebook page Cikgu Darrel and give it a like if possible. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell so that you will always get notified whenever I update my playlist. With that, I would like to thank you for watching, and I shall see you at the next video.